Hi, my name is Tara, and I am from Massachusetts. I grew up on the South Shore in Marshfield, Massachusetts. I completed my undergrad at Quinnipiac University in Connecticut, and I received my Bachelor's of Science in Health Science Studies. After I graduated from there in 2019, I gained some nutrition experience at Mass General Hospital and the Brigham and Women's Faulkner Hospital. I now work at Boston Children's Hospital and I am a dietetic technician there. So I assist the registered dietitians with our patients. We go to see diabetic patients and our eating disorder patients. I also conduct calorie counts for patients and I get to screen everyone who comes in the hospital for malnutrition risk. So I've gained great experience there, and I'm really excited about pediatrics, and it made me realize I want to be a pediatric dietitian when I become an RD. Some of my hobbies include traveling and baking. I love traveling, but of course I haven't been able to this year or last year. But some of my favorite places are South Africa, France, and England that I've been to. Something that is important to me is my family and my health. I have a pretty rare vascular syndrome. I've received a few different surgeries for it, and I'm getting another one soon on my leg. So staying healthy and active is pretty important to me. I'm really looking forward to completing this semester with everyone, and I hope everyone has a great year. Thank you.